So this project was committed by Professor Jens Meijerick and from the Harvard Department of Government, and it started around June 2009, and we finished it a year later. So it's basically an interactive website in support of multi-year project on genocide memory in Rwanda, and basically it was meant for showcasing geographic, ideographic, and photographic data collected by Professor and his team during the field trip in Rwanda. So I can enter the site, and yeah, you can see that this is the main page. And so as probably everybody knows, Rwanda genocide started in April 1994, and in about 100 days, more than 800,000 people were killed, and so roughly 20% of the total population. And later on, the government started to build a memorial for the genocide, and officially there are about 10 memorials, but unofficially there are hundreds of them. So as you see here, here on the main page you can see all the memorials that Professor collected in the field. So these are the names of the memorials and some of the pictures. So when we start the project, we immediately face several problems. One of the problems was choosing the right graphic for visualize such a painful data set. Another problem was coordinating the CGA perspective and the professor expectation, because it's different. And since we didn't have any real expertise in web developing, the project turned out to be a quite demanding web project. But at the end, as you can see, the simple static website with simply HTML code and some JavaScript. Actually, the technology that we used jQuery for the home page, this home page, and for all the images carousel. And then there is a Flash for the introduction, for the intro. Then we use Flex and Google Earth for the map component. And we use also the Yahoo i2 for all the HTML code. So this is definitely an excellent application for integrating text and images. Probably was not the right technical implementation, because HTML is not flexible, as you know, so it's not the site is not adaptable to any other site. And probably with more knowledge and training, we could use different technology like probably XML and XPath and doing something better, or probably MySQL and PHP. In any case, again, this is the main page, and then I can jump to any of the memorials, and I can see the memorial page, and I can see all the images that they collect in the field. If I close here, I can go to the maps component, and here it works. I can see the map of Rwanda and all the location of the memorials. I can jump to any memorials, and on the left button there is a flip map that brings me to the site info, to the memorial info, and on the bottom there is a video, and there is also a Google Earth tour, so I can enter the tour. We started a tour through the memorials in one.
Great.